stuff, take a glue stick and apply it where you want your eyebrow slit to be. The reason is to flatten out your eyebrow hair so the slit would look much cleaner. Now make sure the glue dries completely before moving on to the next step. Now take a concealer and a flat brush to draw the slit. Make sure you're using a concealer that exactly the same shade as your skin for the first layer of the slit. Now draw the slit and slowly frame your eyebrows. Now take an eyebrow pencil and shape your eyebrows as usual. Here I'm drawing it a little bit more straight and lifted to get that stronger look. Clean out your edges with a concealer. Now take a lighter concealer and layer that on top of your slit. This is because usually the skin under your eyebrows or hair is much lighter than the skin that is exposed to the sun. So it will make it looks more natural and looks like you actually slit your eyebrows. Now to set the slit, take a face powder and set your concealer on your slit. And there you have your fake eyebrow slit. Now it's time for the makeup. I already did my base makeup and now I'm gonna go straight to my eye makeup. So first off, take a brown eyeshadow and with a eye brush, make a wash taking it up to your eyebrows. And also give a little bit of wash on the lower lash line. Now blend it with a fluffy brush. Make sure there is no harsh lines. Now take a black eyeshadow and a pencil brush and make a triangular shape. Lift it to the corners of your eyebrows. Build it up as you go and until you get the intensity that you want. Now with a blending brush, slowly blend it up to the corner of your eyebrows to get that smoky cat eye look. Here I'm still blending it to match the other eye because I did the other eye first. Now take a brown pencil liner and make a slight thin eyeliner in the outer corner of your eye. Now take an angled brush to smudge out the liner that you just did. Now take a champagne color highlighter and highlight the inner corners of your eyes. After that, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this mini curler. I'm gonna wear two mascara. The first one is a thickening mascara to add volume into your lashes. Here I'm applying it just as usual. And the next one is a lengthening mascara. I'm gonna apply it by slowly dragging my eyelashes into the outer corners of my eyes to help with that winged effect. I'm taking an orangey peachy nude lip color. First, I'm gonna use it as a liquid blush and put it on the upper part of my cheeks and then blend it with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. Now taking the same color, I'm using it on my lips and then blending the outer part with my finger. Now I'm taking a brown lip color and put it in the inner corners of my lips. I mean the inner part of my lips, you know, the gradient. And then taking a brown eyeshadow and a fluffy eye brush to add shadow on the corners of my lips and at the bottom of my lips, so it looks a little bit more shaped.